and my lips are crusty, and my skin is a little dry and oily at the top because I've been braiding all day, been twisting all day, but it doesn't matter because I look cute. And I need to take a shower because I've been sweating doing my hair. Oh my gosh, somebody come get me. Hey, you guys. This is your girl, Disparate Amelia, back again with another video. I hope you all have had a blessed week and have found multiple things to be grateful for. I am back with another video with a new segment on my channel called New Do, okay? Where I get to show you guys how I create or plan out or do my hairstyles. This hairstyle was inspired by Passion Twist. It's not exactly Passion Twist, but I'm gonna be showing you guys how I did my hair, finished my hair. This is not a tutorial at all whatsoever. I'm just showing you guys my process of how I create a new hairstyle, and I'm absolutely in love with this. This hair is in the color 4, so it's a little lighter than my actual hair. My hair is 1B, but it doesn't look too bad. It doesn't look too shabby, and I was like, let me add a little bit of color, okay? So please watch my video to see how I got this amazing hairstyle and how I did it by myself. Please stay tuned, and if you would like for me to show more of the hairstyles that I do, please comment and like this video so I know that you guys want to see more of this, which I think I should do because I change my hair all the time and I don't normally film it, sometimes because it's a little difficult to film and do it at the same time. Yes. My new hair, y'all. Okay. Ew, looking cute. Stay tuned for more. All right, guys. Good morning. It is 9:09. I just woke up like 20 minutes ago, but I'm gonna go ahead and get started. This is from what I did last night. Last night I started my hair like 6:23. Why I started so late is because I wasn't sure if I was gonna do it yesterday or today, but I started it yesterday and it ended up being way easier than I thought it would be, so I just continued on. I'm kind of almost halfway finished with my head. I'm still on pack number 1. I'm not even finished with pack number 1. So when I bought this hair, I wasn't really sure how many packs I was gonna need. You know, when you get crochet hair, they'll give you this much in a pack, but I saw these and I was like, oh, I'm definitely gonna get these, and just praying that it worked. It is the 3-time coily ends, 14 inches, the Senegalese twist by Afri Natural. I just realized it was called Natural, okay? They tried it. And it is in the color 4. 4 is brown, but not as brown as 2. So this is what it looks like. This is a pack that is not opened. And then this is the back. And I got it at my local beauty supply store. I think each pack was $9, and it was worth it because so much hair comes in one. I only got 3 packs, praying that it would be enough, and I'm still on 1, and I'm almost finished with half of my head, so it's definitely enough. And you always put less in the back than you would in the front, or at least I always do. I know half of my head is cut off because half of my hair is done. Just bear with me, okay? I always put less in the back than I do in the front because I want the front to be fuller and I don't want my head to be as heavy. So this is the pack I'm working on right now. It comes in 3 sections. I finished the first 2 sections last night, and now I'm on this last one. I think you can see that it's more brown in the camera because looking at it, it doesn't look as brown. And comparing it to my hair is 1B. Doesn't look as brown. I'm going to finish this pack and then I'll probably get on camera to show you guys how I actually latch it onto my head using the crochet hair. Before I start it again, I've only been using Indian hemp oil to moisturize my hair. This thing is really huge. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but this is my head. This is the jar. It's really big. I'm using this Indian hemp oil by Softy. It's light and natural, and this is what I use to grease my scalp. After I washed my hair 2 days ago because I started my hair yesterday. I already greased it. I usually oil my scalp after I wash my hair anyway and then twist it up, so some of these is still in twist. Then I work from there, but the ends were a little bit dry, so I've been oiling the ends. But I'll show you guys that process when I get to me twisting my hair. So I'm gonna finish this one pack and then come back, all right? Ooh, finish the one pack, then come back. Hey, hey, we rapping. Okay, bye. Moved to a different spot, so the lighting changed just a little. So you can see it a little bit better. I'm like zooming in so you don't see my crazy head top. My head top looks crazy, okay? I just sectioned off my hair. It doesn't look like it because my roots are really thick, but trust me, look, my edges wanna act out. But it's sectioned, okay? And the lines are clean. And it's sectioned over here too, but I have it wrapped up. You can see her. So I finished one full pack of hair. You guys can see, I cannot see in the back, okay? So I did practically half of my head. The lines in the back don't come from me, might look a little bit crazy because I cannot see in the back of my head, and I'm honestly not worried about the lines being hecka straight in the back of my head. That's why when I get to the front, I like pre-part it before I braid it. Well, I go section by section. So I go line by line. Like I just, can you see that? I hope you can see it because I can't see y'all seeing me. But I go line by line, but I don't really worry about it being exactly straight in the back because the front is really the part that you focus on the most, at least the part that I focus on the most. So this is one pack of hair to fill the back. I'm so glad I got this because I don't even think I'm gonna open the third pack, to be quite honest. Or maybe I'll use like a couple of pieces from the third pack. Right now it's hitting me at my chest. I'm nowhere near finished. I'm going to do a twist for you all so you guys can see how I attach it. Again. This is not a tutorial at all, okay? This is just me showing you guys how I get my new hairstyles. I do my hair all the time, so I just want to show you all how I'm doing it. I'm actually really living it right now. So I'll show you guys 2 examples of how I attach this, and then I'm gonna go back and finish my hair, and then I'll show you guys the finished product, okay? All right, so this is the hair, boom. So it's crochet hair. It's already adjusted to fit on a crochet needle, as you can see here, but I am actually twisting these into my head, okay? So what I do is I take a twist and I unravel it. And then I pull it through the loop. I don't undo the twist because it'll make it even more harder for me to unravel the twist. So this is what it looks like. This hair is already pre-treated. They stretched it. They dipped it in hot water already, and it is curled at the end. So this is how I get it out of the pack, ready for use. So my hair is already sectioned, like I said. Bobby pins are my friend in this process. I've been using this wide tooth comb. It's a Conair comb. Pretty sure I got this from the beauty supply store. To comb through my hair. I don't always comb through it, but when I have it in like big sections just out, that's when I comb through. To separate it, once it's already sectioned, I just use my fingers. I kind of eyeball it, to be quite honest. I just wash my hair, so my hair is a little dry. It's a little dry. Okay, so when I'm satisfied with the section, I twist what's left and I bobby pin it to the rest of my head, okay? So since my hair is a little dry, I'm gonna get my Softy hemp oil. I am going to use a little bit, not a lot, because my hair is already oiled, like I said. I'm gonna get in the creases and I'm gonna moisturize my little edges, okay? And I usually do this in front of my bathroom mirror. Right now I'm looking at the little viewfinder. So yeah, I just added oil to the ends of my hair. There it is. My hair grew so much, y'all. This is just like an edge piece. This is not even like the thick part of my hair. Look how much it grew. So exciting. Anyway, once it's oiled, I split it in 2, okay? Then I get this piece. This is probably gonna be difficult for me to explain. Like I said, this is not a tutorial. I'm just showing you guys how I do my hair. Number two, I just want to shout out to my skin because she's looking real clear and clean right now. And my eyebrows, hey girl, even though she's attached to my hairline, don't worry about it, that's not what this video is about. Anyway, because it's pre-looped, you can clearly tell where the hair folds in half, okay, with the curly ends. So I'm gonna take this piece where the hair is folded in half, I'm gonna hold it like that. It's really hard for me to explain. I'm not a hairstylist, okay? And I'm gonna grab this front section of my hair to attach it to that one piece that I was holding on to. And then like a braid, okay, I'm gonna grab that loose end of hair that's not attached to the other hair, and I'm gonna put it underneath the other side of the braid, okay? Of the braid. The other side of the twist. So it's going under this piece, okay? And then like a braid, I just grab that piece, that twist piece, I grab the underside of my hair, and then I grab my edges to make sure it's secured. And then I just start braiding. Okay? If the hair was loose, I would split the twist in 3 and add hair to that piece of my hair that has no twist on it, but it's not loose and I'm not gonna undo the twist just to add hair because it's gonna work regardless. So I'm probably gonna braid a good 3 to 4 times just to get a secure latch. So that's what it looks like. Okay, that's how I latch my hair. Now, this is the easy part because it's already twisted. I just add the piece that was loose to the other twist that has no hair attached to it. I twist to allow my hair to go into the twist, and then I just keep doing that, okay, until my hair stops. That was probably the end of my hair right there. Yeah, I started with the braid and then I twist. That's how all of these are kind of started. Okay, that's how I attach it onto my head. And then the rest is easy unless it kind of unravels weird and some of the hair falls out. But this hair is pretty good. If you see it kind of unraveling, then I continue to twist it in my fingers and go around so that everything comes out neat. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. Once the hair stops unraveling, where you can obviously see it's connected together, you just twist, which is super easy. So the ends are curled, and in the pack they left the ends open and curly, but because I attached this to my hair, I'm actually gonna twist all the way down. And then I'm just gonna wrap it around my finger so it gets that curl back. Boom. And it'll curl up once I let it go. And that's how all the ends are. And because it's pre-treated and everything, it keeps the curl at the end, even though I twisted it up. That's how I latch on my hair. I am going to finish my whole head now and come back to you when I'm done. I've never done it with crochet twists before. If you are gonna do it with crochet twists, I suggest not getting the ones that are already burnt at the ends because I just feel like that's gonna end up horrible unless you're gonna burn them again at the end, and they look really artificial too, but these ones are super soft. As you can see, it's really easy to undo, unravel, and the ends were not burnt or anything. Like, they weren't solid, they were curled, so it was very easy to take apart. Yeah, I'm going to finish my hair and come back to you all. I forgot to show the comb that I actually used to part my hair. I know I said I part with my fingers for the individual twists, but I don't do that for like these large sections, or else I would be looking crazy. I don't know what this comb is even called. I'm pretty sure I got this from my mom, but it has like a curved, I don't have terms for these things. The little springs, the little forks. It has a curved edge, and then I use mostly this side, just like a rat tail comb or a fine teeth comb. You would use that, but this is the one I use because my hair is kind of thick, so I just go in there and part. I just wanted to show you guys that. Okay, as you can see, the sunlight is down. And I am finished. It is 5:11. It really did not take me that long, guys. I started to finish the second pack from like what, 9 when I started, 9:30, and then I finished at 10:30, took a break, ate a meal, continued again, took a break, ate a meal, and now I'm finished at 5. It really didn't take me that long to do these, and it helped because they were pre-sectioned and everything. But this is my final look. Looking twisty, looking curly. So this is the original inspiration for what I wanted to do. But going to the beauty supply store, I didn't really find the hair that like fit that. So I got this hair, and it kind of looks the same. I mean, it's not curly all the way around, mostly curly at the ends, but I am in love. I am obsessed. I did the side part, and then when I was twisting it, I was like, I kind of like the middle part a little better. I've been getting into middle part, but this is what it would look like with the side. Oh, and by the way, I only used the third pack for this one section of my, ooh, that's not the section, for this one section of my hair, the middle part, like 5 twists. That's all I needed from the third pack. That hair pack holds so much. This is what it would look like on the side, which is not much different from the center. I am so satisfied. I'm so happy. I don't know if it'll stay long because the twists are kind of soft. I don't know. I love them. I can even see myself like putting accessories in these. They're not heavy at all. Oh my gosh, these do not feel heavy whatsoever. They are mad soft, crazy soft. You know, I got my edges in there, so I did a pretty neat job. I'm really loving it. I'm really loving this style so much. You guys are gonna see some videos with me in this style. I just wanted you guys to see my process of going through it. New hairdo! And this is a new segment on my channel called New Do, so look out for when I do more styles. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Maybe you learned something. Maybe you found out tricks of the trade to how I always do my hair, get my hair done. But please remember to comment, like, share this video with your family, your friends, your parents, your hamsters, your best friend, your neighbor, your dog, everybody, okay? Share it with everyone. And don't forget to subscribe. Before I forget, so I use this Cream of Nature with argan oil, Style and Shine foaming mousse. Sometimes I use this to secure my edges too, but it's foam. I'm not gonna do it. When you squeeze it out, it comes white and foamy, okay? But I just used it to smooth over these twists. It gives it a little bit of a shine. It also smells really good. And any flyaways situations that you didn't cut off, it'll smooth out. Yes, I'm obsessed with my hair. Oh my God, obsessed with my hair. Oh my gosh, obsessed with my hair. And my lips are crusty. And my skin is a little dry and oily at the top because I've been braiding all day. Been twisting all day, but it doesn't matter because I look cute. All right, I love you guys so much. Bye.